This research paper, authored by Captain Tyler Williams of the United States Air Force, now serving as a squadron commander, was undertaken as part of his ongoing education, constituting his master's degree thesis. Its content reflects findings consistent with scientific literature, declassified documents, and implied government actions. Originally published in 2015, it undoubtedly has seen numerous updates since, though not publicly disclosed. Nonetheless, let's delve into the latest evidence indicating the government's awareness of significant planetary changes, a magnetic pole shift. Firstly, confirmation arrives that since the 2010 magnetic field updates, Earth's magnetic field has weakened by 15%. Extrapolating to the present year of 2024, it's plausible that this weakening may now range from 25 to 30%. This aligns with geophysicists and the European Swarm mission's assessments, which assert that the magnetic pole shift and field weakening are advancing 10 times faster than previously presumed, signifying a substantial shift. Over a decade ago, the director of the Swarm mission forewarned of the unfolding stages of our planet's next magnetic pole reversal, emphasizing concerns about heightened interactions between the solar wind and Earth's atmosphere and biosphere. Recognized as an unmitigated global disaster, this phenomenon surpasses the destructive potential of earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanoes, hurricanes, and nearly every other natural occurrence, save for a planet-obliterating asteroid impact. During magnetic events, the field diminishes by 90%, plummeting to just 10% of its usual strength, posing multifaceted risks to our planet, ranging from technological vulnerabilities to atmospheric disturbances and potential human casualties. While this paper displays remarkable accuracy, it errs in its estimation of geomagnetic excursions, claiming 2 or 3 per million years, a figure refuted by evidence documenting 8 such events in the past 60,000 years alone. Furthermore, the paper aligns with a crucial debate within the scientific community, contesting the notion that these events unfold gradually over millennia. Instead, mounting evidence suggests rapid occurrences, with some events transpiring in less than a century. As we navigate through the complexities of magnetic field reversal, concerns heighten regarding increased space radiation exposure and the amplification of vulnerabilities, particularly within power grids. The discussion extends to historical solar storms, notably the impactful events of 1859 and 1989, underscoring how advancements in technology have heightened our susceptibility to space weather disturbances. Particularly alarming is the vulnerability of contemporary power grids, starkly contrasting with the robustness of Earth's magnetic protection in past centuries. In conclusion, the paper serves as a poignant reminder of our planet's vulnerability amidst escalating magnetic disruptions, urging proactive measures to mitigate potential catastrophic outcomes. As we confront the uncertainties of our evolving magnetic field, vigilance and preparedness remain paramount in safeguarding our civilization from the perils of space. The situation is likely to worsen significantly, potentially leading to a total loss scenario with repercussions extending to GPS and radio signal communication networks. In the best-case scenario, at least 130 million Americans could be deprived of critical infrastructure for years to decades. Numerous publications echo this sentiment, forecasting millions of American deaths, with global casualties potentially reaching into the billions. The focus then shifts to other critical infrastructure sectors, including food production, transportation, and retail, all of which would fail catastrophically. Billions could face starvation, deprived of food, water purification, and fuel distribution. Moreover, the cosmic radiation exposure would skyrocket, causing severe ozone depletion and posing a grave threat to life on Earth. DNA mutations and increased UV exposure could lead to widespread health issues, including heightened risks of heart attacks and dementia. Vulnerability to increased ultraviolet rays could devastate important crops, hindering growth and lowering yields. The current state of Earth's magnetic protection is graphically illustrated, highlighting significant weaknesses in the South Atlantic and the impending convergence of magnetic poles in the Northeast Indian Ocean. Despite heightened monitoring of space weather, global preparedness for magnetic pole shifts remains inadequate. Efforts to address climate change and societal issues overshadow the urgency of addressing this looming catastrophe. While the paper doesn't delve into the specific consequences of magnetic events, the evidence presented underscores the gravity of the situation. As advocates for raising awareness of extinction risks associated with magnetic pole shifts, it's imperative to grasp the magnitude of this threat. For newcomers to this information, I urge you to explore our Earth disaster video for a comprehensive understanding of the issue. This is a global concern that transcends cultural, political, and economic boundaries, demanding our collective attention. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and I'll catch you on The Daily Show tomorrow. Stay safe, everyone.